what else do we have here? Okay, so we got now warrior AB and rogue AB, and now we want character to be able to select this class and spawn as this class when we are actually playing the game. So we want to go to UI, we want to go capture and control to our game mode, and we want to add 2 buttons. Okay, and we're going to copy it, paste it, and this one is going to be like here, close enough. We got text, and we got text, and this one is rogue button, and this one goes rogue in black. This one goes warrior black. So this one is none is disabled by default. Once you click one, it will do something. So let's do that. Let's go here and say on clicked, warrior clicked, and then we want rogue clicked, and we want to go here on click. So what we want to do is we want to spawn as one class or the other, right? We can use enums, we can use different methods. I want to use gameplay tags to know as what I want to spawn. So I'm going to add new gameplay tag. I'm going to call it class dot warrior. Add new tag, and I'm going to add class dot rogue. Add new class, and class dot sorcerer or wizard. How the sorcerer. Add new tag. Okay, and now we have classes, right? So we got those 3 tags, and we need to go to our core. No, not to our core. We're going to go to gameplay sessions, and we need capture. We need actually our player state, fantasy player state. So this guy. We need this guy. I need to say selected class, and this need to be a gameplay tag that is replicated. And we need a custom event, say server set class, set class on server, and this must be run on server reliably, and we're going to run it directly because we are owner of this object. When we are in UI, we are owning our player state, but to call that we need an interface. So I keep on forgetting, but I can check here, BI interface. Okay, so I can go here and say player set class, and this is player, and I can also get class, which is also player. So get class got an output of class, and this is tag, and set class has an input of class, and it's a gameplay tag. Okay, so this guy now in interface player has get class, which is getting class, and there's also set class, implement interface, and this is just server set class. Okay, So now we can set class. So we want to get owning local player. Okay, player, get owning player, get player state, set class, and now on warrior click we want to say class warrior, and on rogue click we want to set class rogue on the same player state. We also want our this is the rogue button and this is the warrior button. So set enabled to, so this is like if we click warrior, set enabled is false, set enabled is true, and we hook them up in the same order and we switch the enables. Okay. There is of course a default class that we also have to set, and the default will be something. It must be something. Let's say it's warrior. Okay, we go here, save everything, and now in our game mode, when we are actually oh, this is functional game mode, we want session test game mode. It's this one. No. Oh, sessions capture and control game mode. So here where we are actually spawning characters, right? Request respawn BI to the controller. Target itself. So request respawn goes respawn all players. It also ends with okay, let's find references. There's none. Okay, makes sense. Find references. It's here. It's here. It's here. Okay, which means that we are not using this anywhere anymore. That makes entire graph a lot smaller, and we can also format graph. Okay, so event respawn. So here we get default pound for class for controller, and that's not what we're going to do. What we are going to do is, oh, you know what? So request is a controller, we get the player state, we get the team, and we get a class message instead of getting default pound. Select class, and we have warrior A, warrior B. Oh, no. Contains? No. Wait. Equals has matching gameplay tag, has tag, is gameplay tag valid, makes game matches any tags. If tag 1 matches against tag 2. Oh, this one. Okay. If it matches against warrior, then we do those warriors. So if it matches warrior, then we do warriors. If it matches not warrior, then we should check if it's okay, let's do it differently. Okay, first of all, this entire thing could be a function, and it should. Collapse the function, spawn character, proper character. That's one thing. Second is that we don't need any of this. Oh, maybe we want actor, but the rest definitely not. Oh, it's the same. Okay, never mind. So we don't need this as well. We just need this single input. Okay. We are reading this value as we did, which is correct. We are getting team from this controller's player state, and we are getting class. And we are also promoting to local variable team, and we are promoting to local variable class. That's better. So this is the final spawn and possess. It can go here. This is start and evaluate. And this is get variables. And now from those variables, we can do stuff. So on class, we can do a switch. And it can be a class warrior, or it can be a class rogue. And oh, and we're going to add a default. False. Let's do it like this. And let's reduce required players to start to 1. And let's go to our gameplay map. No, not this one. Fantasy Village map. Play. Oh, ready? True. It says true. Okay. Which means that it understands that this class, which is, let's say, class. Oh, okay. Class. This is specific. I'm an idiot. Okay. It's exactly as I wanted it. It's fine. So now we can select proper class. And we can make local variable, and this will be called class. No, not class, because we have class. pawn class, which is not an actor, but a character. Character class reference, change variable type. Okay, this is now a character, so it understands it's a pawn, and I can now possess it. That's great. Owner is obviously this guy. Instigator is pawn object reference. Well, it's self, so there's no instigator really. Okay, try to adjust location, always spawn. So now we just have to set it. And how do we set it? Oh, it's going to be tricky because we not only want to change our class, but we also want to change our appearance. So we also got team. So we can go also here and say equals team A. Promote to local variable is team A, and make it a variable, store it, then get the class. And now you can do select is team A, like this, and true means warrior A, false means warrior B. True means rogue A, false means rogue B. So if warrior, then warrior. If rogue, then rogue. Select class. And from both of those, we do a reroute. And then here and here. Format graph. Okay, what? Format graph. Okay, that's better. Yeah, a lot better. I would only move this closer here. And it doesn't have target. The target is is the controller. So all the way. Okay, it's called player. I can just type it here. Get player, and he's the target controller, and he's the possessing guy. Okay, and now it's a simple function, so our graph is a lot smaller and better looking. Let's give it a try. 5, 4. I should be team A, warrior. And it seems I am. Yeah, I'm team A, so the red guy. Okay, so now what we also need to do. Now what we need to do is to set some materials for this entire map, unfortunately. So let's do it. Let's do it. It's not going to be as bad as I might think. So we got all materials here. That should be easy. Castle gate, how does it look like? Like this. It's wood. Oh, not this wood. This wood. Material glow, no clue. Material grass, it's grass. House wall base, wood. House wall color, it would. Wall display, wood. Yes, save it. Material landscape, grass by default, but we can change it. Master blend, what is this? Let's make it concrete. Looks like stones. Paddle, guess what? It should be this translucent decal, and I can't have it set. It doesn't have physical materials. Okay, that's a shame. No, and I can close this now. I still have this open. Yes, it's eating resources for no reason. Rock detailed concrete. Showroom floor. Concrete. Castle corner. Oh, that's instance because this is house wall base, which I already set up. Those are instances already. So they don't require additional setup. Wood tile is house wall base, so it's wood, so everything else is wood. That's great. Landscape, where's the landscape? I need the landscape. It's this one, landscape. Okay, so how do we do landscape? Is we go here, we have this build data, right? And there's nothing we can do here. We have here layers. We have blue, green, and red layer. And I have no clue what they are. So just send ground to all of them. Because I don't know why they're called red, green, blue. They're probably representing something. There will be ground. This tile in particular is ground stone blend. And this is using this physical material. It can be ground. Okay. And now we also want to select all static meshes. All of selected class. Okay. I want to say overlap. Okay. Where are those spheres? Oh, those are like light probes hidden. Interesting. Okay, so everything now also should block arrows by default. And let's see now if I can spawn as a rogue. Yeah, I'm a rogue. Why? Why those things don't really have collision or what? Interesting. So static mesh actor. Don't break. Don't crash. Okay, it didn't crash. Save current level. Thank you. Save everything, just in case. Show message. So what didn't event get integer parameter pp? So something didn't give me. I was using this. So this guy. It's ground. It's ground. Let's make sure it works. Okay, let's close all of those. Set integer parameter didn't work and set boolean parameter didn't work. So valid. This will help for sure. Sometimes it may trigger hit event but not spawn it. Okay. Still see my hair on the screen from time to time. Let's make that disappear, and I'm calling it over. Okay, no errors. We also want to say class defaults debug no, and we might do 22 or something. 0.15 is too small. Okay. Okay, so we need now just gameplay, fantasy character. No, it will be per mesh. So what we need is go to character and go to specific character and see if they have exactly the same material placement, but I would doubt that. So those are those and warrior A, and I need warrior B. So here, hair that I want to disappear is 1617. Oh no, it's maybe this one. Isolate. But this one I don't care. Oh yeah, I want to disappear for 24. So this is rogue A. Open full blueprint. Wait, let's do it for all characters. So we're going to open this guy. And we're going to say event graph game logic. So on possess, init HUD, setup FPP, do all that. When we change to first person true, we want to set visible. Wait, we want to get mesh, set mat material Oh, show material section. I think it's this one. Show all material sections. Okay, so we want to show all material sections if we're not first person. And if we are first person, then we want to make a new variable inside our fantasy character. We say material sections to hide. It's an integer array. And we're going to make a new function, say hide materials. Oh, we can do a loop in there. Can we? Oh, we can, okay. Yeah, we can't do wait nodes in functions, but we can do this. So for each loop, for each material section, we're taking the mesh and we're doing show material section, show false, material ID is array element, section index is 0, shows is false. Okay, so rogue A, and okay, so now I have this. I can open those guys and I can say rogue A. So I want to hide 23, no, 24. And I didn't have problem with my face and eyes, so I just want to hide 24. So rogue A, class defaults 24. Okay, rogue B and BP rogue B. Rogue B, it will be similar number probably. Isolate, no, it's 25. So rogue B is hiding 25. And this should be enough. Warrior A doesn't need to hide any hair. So this is warrior A, warrior B, and warrior B. And warrior B definitely needs to hide hair because it's just annoying. Okay, so 23 is being hidden. Yeah, 23. Are they being indexed from 0? Element 0? Please tell me it's from element 0. Yes, okay. Okay. So now play rogue ready, and I shouldn't see my hair anymore. Oh, it would be nice if I also use this function actually. So yeah, we got this, and it's called hide materials. So to go here to game logic and just call the function hide materials. So if true, hide materials, if false, then show all materials. So this will happen only on local player. Okay, play again, rogue ready. No hair, no problem. Okay. Save everything, and that's it. We can make a build and play test it and see if everything works. Find any really crucial bugs that could be deal breaking for the game. Go to sessions, capture control game mode, required players to start back to 2 as it was. Go back here and yeah, let's cook it. So let's package it for Windows. I already have all settings done. Delete it. Same maps, didn't change anything. And yeah.